Welcome back to Funko Pop Obsessed tutorial. I'm continuing with my custom that I'm doing for a client. In the last video I had put the first coat of paint on the head, so on the hair. So I'm gonna show you how much better the second coat covers. So he's dry. So we're going to just take, and you can see already that it covers much better, second coat. And just take your time, and as I said before, I use soft brushes. I think you get better, you don't get as much lines. Hard brushes with the bristles, you get lines. So just take your time. I'm probably going to do 3 to 4 coats. Just because, well, I like to do that, at least 4. Just because I like to make sure everything's covered and everything's good before I seal it. So you can see. So this character is from a video game called Detroit Become Human. His name is Connor. The easiest part's going to be the head. The body I'm a little intimidated by because he's got all these markings on his suit, and I'm not exactly sure how It's got letters and numbers, and they're really tiny. Well, you know how tiny the Funko bodies are. So haven't quite figured that one out yet. But when I do, I will let you know for sure. So, and just, you know, in as close as you can, because I'm going to use a smaller brush for in there. So probably after I do the second coat and it dries, then I'll go in and do the finer details. You don't need a lot of paint, you can actually spread it out. Which is actually good, you get less lines that way. So you can see already it's covering up. I can still see a bit of orange, but it definitely is covering better, the second coat. So, well, this will take longer to dry. And then we'll do a third coat. Well, I'll do the details and then I'll do a third coat. So that's basically the head painting. So there we go. Looks nice and chestnutty brown. Well, actually maybe darker brown than chestnut, which his hair is. So I have, I actually do have, this is the character I'm doing. I don't know if you can see, I hope you can see. And this is his outfit. See, he's got like letters and numbers and little things on his outfit. So it's gonna be fun to try and do that. Although the body's pretty good for. So I have to paint the tie and paint the shirt and paint the suit basically a darker gray. And then work on how I'm gonna get the RK800 on here. I have no idea. And I think I have a few more pictures. Oh, that one's there. That one there. So yeah, stay tuned for that.